MANSORY is where luxury meets performance. For more than 30 years, they have maintained unparalleled craftsmanship and high-performance magnificent conversions. Their 2025 Rolls Royce Specter is nothing short of the epitome of luxury and performance. This extravagance opens the gates to the new era of all-electric automobiles. So let's take a look at its interior and exterior as well as the incomparable drive. This is why you should look forward to the 2025 MANSORY Rolls Royce Specter. Exterior design, a look of refined aggression. To sum up the first impression of the MANSORY Rolls Royce Specter, it's bold, aerodynamic and striking. At the front, the redesigned face captures the essence of speed and elegance. The integrated front lip with side flaps is crafted from carbon. The remarkable blackened radiator grille, a trademark MANSORY design, can be illuminated in any desired colour, blending seamlessly with the overall aesthetic of the automobile. The bonnet, made from ultralight carbon with a visible carbon structure, gives the car a muscular outlook. Adding to that, LED daytime running lights strengthen its futuristic and powerful front profile. Use of carbon is visible on the flanks along the side sills, air outlets in the fenders as well as on door handles painted in black. These design touches not only enhance the athletic stance of the car, but also add to its aerodynamic performance. At the rear, they put in a carbon spoiler and a rear diffuser, both aerodynamically optimized to increase downforce, ensuring the vehicle is able to maintain stability at high speeds. The back end is finished with a carbon taillight surround, while an optional central brake light is further available in the rear diffuser. Wheels, the picture of artistry. MANSORY's craftsmanship also extends to the wheels. Two sets of forged and polished lightweight FD15 rims which are tailored for the Specter's high load-bearing capabilities are available for the car. You can customize the wheels as you prefer. You can choose between 23-inch wheels which come with front tyres measuring 255 to 40 R23 and rear tyres at 295 to 35 R23 and 24-inch wheels which both front and rear tyres are measured as 295/30 R24. Fixed wheel hubs with the MANSORY logo add a finishing touch of luxury, ensuring the wheels remain as striking as the rest of the vehicle. Interior, lavish comfort and cutting-edge technology. The interior of the 2025 Rolls Royce Specter by MANSORY is the height of luxurious design and the use of the finest materials there. The interior is wrapped in customized full leather, ensuring every seat and surface feels as splendid as it looks. A sports steering wheel, highlighted with leather and carbon fiber, projects both sophistication and high performance. The whole interior is an example of the use of carbon fiber as a modern luxury material, and that doesn't stop there. LED lighting embedded in the door panels and dashboard provides a soft glow that emphasizes its interior features, while this also highlights the fine details of the dashboard, leather inlays and even high-pile floor mats. Performance and drive. With the Specter, Rolls-Royce is pushing itself into the all-electric future while maintaining the brand's reputation for quiet, powerful performance. The MANSORY conversion enhances this electric drive, making it not just an eco-friendly alternative, but a testimony of electric performance done right. The carbon fiber modifications reduce its overall weight, enhancing acceleration and efficiency. The availability of two-wheel sets also provides versatility. While its combined electrical consumption is just 22.2 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers, the automobile is known for its zero carbon dioxide emissions. Price. The price of Rolls-Royce Specter by MANSORY is priced on request. Experts suggest its price would range over $800,000. From its bold and carbon-enhanced exterior to lavish high-tech interior, the Specter is crafted to perfection. The 2025 MANSORY Rolls Royce Specter is more than just a car. It is a symbol of the future of luxury and sustainable transportation. Thank you for watching. For more information about luxury rides, like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next ride.